So it's 2019 and this is our second year in Phoenix with our little mobile setup right now, and so hopefully this year we'll be really opening a big door. But this is our setup out here. It's a nice day, pretty bright outside today. I like our mountain view back there, you see it. I haven't been up there yet, but I just seen a few people walking though. So it's our little simple setup. I got a 40-foot RV, which is pretty much a 38-footer, but they count that 2 foot up there as 40 foot. So it's my little setup out here. Still got to get back to my grill, and honestly, it's pretty much done. I just got to put the gauge in the middle of it and sand it down and paint it. I just been caught up on some other jobs. This is our back deck. I built this to do some fireplace grilling to mess off of. We haven't even used it yet. I built it and just sat it back here for decorations pretty much. That's our little setup. My neighbor, I built him one, as you see. He was a little fancier than mine. That's what he wanted, as you see. He sit back there on his deal. We got some fruit trees back here, and they nice too. See, these are just right. You was here with me, we could bust a couple. Throw it in some vodka. But yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna come through the back part because I want to show people the roll-up door, because this is the roll-up door. It's kind of messy in here, so don't judge my house right now because we chilling today. This is our setup.
I'm ready to close that up.
And my wife, she's in here just talking to somebody, doing something. So
What I'm excited for.
It's pretty neat. The bathroom area. This is our pantry. And we got the rooms. Can dark in here, get the light on. But it's not bad for what it is. It's a 04 Lindale titanium. So for what we got, what we paid for, we really got a big steal. So we was able to come out here and actually get our hog on this year, and well, for the last 2 years, to build our business. So we came with positive equity, and we planned on leaving with positive equity. Hold on.